Most pharmacy teams initially don't understand the complexity and thoroughness that is required to maintain a clean room in compliance with USP 797 and 800. The facility is one thing, but the behaviors are the most important thing within a clean room. My name is Ken Latta. I am Vice President of Design and Regulatory Compliance with ProPharma Clean Rooms, LLC. We are in a clean room, post-construction clean, prior to the microbial clean. Otherwise, I would be fully gowned and garbed. So when we start talking about cleaning a BSC, a biological safety cabinet, we start talking about cleaning it at the top all the way down to the bottom on the external side. When you're cleaning, you need to get behind a BSC and clean the back and the back wall. Thus, we've had this one set about a foot off the wall so you can actually get to it, and it has a capability of getting to it from both sides so you don't have to reach 6 feet to clean. We can't ignore the once a month cleaning that's required to clean these U-joints. So yes, you will get down on the floor. And yes, you will have to clean underneath that thing. And inside of every U-joint there is. Now, cleaning inside of a BSC is very important. Once a month you need to take it apart. What we want to do to decontaminate, the first thing we do is deactivate the chemicals, pull it out. That gives us access to the support standards. And each one of these would be removed and cleaned as well. When it comes to cleaning the BSC, they like for you to start by doing the top, then the pole, then the back, and then the sides, then the bottom. One thing to remember is that cleaning ceilings and walls once a month is very important to be thorough. You'll notice that these things are all caulked. The lights are caulked in. They're LED lights, so they should last 17 years without changing a bulb. The other thing is how smooth this surface is and how these places are caulked. So this makes for a very easily cleaned surface. This is a typical pole that would also allow for an extension or a reduction in size depending on how tall and how far you had to reach. This is a mop head that I tend to like because it will actually fold up in the corners. It just snaps on and snaps off. Before I start, I have to clean this pole with a sanitizer, then remove residue with an alcohol. Another important thing to look at is protecting your personnel while they're cleaning. Once you start cleaning within a BSC, you're going to need something like a full face piece respirator. When we clean a room, since we're using a lot of the harsh chemicals, I have my people wearing these all the time. They can't smell, their eyes don't water, they can finish the job without having any kind of adverse effect from doing the job. And that just scratches the surface of cleaning and sanitizing a clean room. I get questioned all the time, will the facility be compliant? And the facility we give you will always be compliant, but it's the behaviors that are most important.